These FIFA World Cup videos are going viral on YouTube right now. And this channel has just started and already gained more than 2,000 subscribers. And one of their videos reached 358,000 views in just 10 days. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Imagine your team wins a game. They finish third in their group, and they still make it to the knockout rounds. That's not a consolation prize. That's literally how World Cup 2026 works. And if you don't understand why, you're going to be very confused watching this tournament. So let's fix that right now. Here's the thing. FIFA just did something they haven't done since 1998. They blew up the entire format of the World Cup.
I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the master prompt from the description below. Copy the video discovery prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter and it will provide you 5 engaging video ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like. I am going with the 5th one. Now copy the script creation prompt and paste it inside Claude AI. Copy your chosen video idea and paste it inside the designated topic section in the prompt. Hit enter and Claude AI will provide you a full ready-to-use script in just a few seconds. Now copy the image prompt and paste it in. Then copy your full script and paste it inside the designated script section inside the image prompt. Hit enter and it will provide you the first 5 image prompts for your scenes. Now just type next 5 and it will instantly generate 5 more image prompts for the remaining scenes. Everything you need is ready in one place. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and choose your desired image model and settings. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your first image scene will be ready in just a few seconds. Click on the image you like, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Copy image prompt 2 and paste it here. Repeat the exact same process until all your images are done. I have created 5 images to show you the full result. Now it is time for the voiceover. Copy your full script. I am copying just a part of it here to show you the process. Paste the script into any text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs and generate the voiceover. Done in seconds. Now import all your images and the voiceover into any video editor you like. Add the voiceover to the timeline first and then align all your images according to the voiceover so every visual matches the right moment in the script. To give the video a cinematic feel, add the real line effect from CapCut. It instantly elevates the look of the entire video. Hit export and your FIFA World Cup video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. The master prompt is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.